Metro Mass Bass na say net transport minister what the tour kwaje award.
Abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de Ghana and Sem TV so. But omo dey so be like video, no be subscribe to the channel, no what turn on notifications say be next time. Videos of this nature eba also sabit makabi na so watch your comment section ho. Maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho. By be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so. Ko yin na dream say that chi bia no e between the new patriotic party aba power. Na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey. The need to Sudan say man we need that chi bia. Na the bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne ye no. So wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa. The moment I be hold the public office, and they say, who say you own it a responsibility. I mean, a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think, say, I do retirement. If you say a public office no more hold it, as a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushamin Chankra, Mommy Enko, the Enko video bimra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President. Women commerce is here.
Metro Mass Bass na say net transport minister what the tour kwaje award. Oh you are. Wait. Ya de ani bre na ye adwuma e de John besi akonwa so wa ba ye wadwen fatoso wo de fatoso mako you say overall best minister,
the finance minister.
No problem. I mean, now we know the way to first handle economy. No.
And the best year, I'm a work.
Overall best minister to forcing.
When? Oh, I don't know.
Ato, what's ye? Danko.
Wait.
Because one say, ministers now were doing that actually who said this is trivial. So they didn't go. Oh, so they know I am kwala growing and crofodi. Millennium Excellence overall best performing minister. Kezela to forcing. No problem. Banko. That's okay. Best performing male minister. Honorable Iman Amakofi Boa. Wankoho. No problem. Best performing female minister. Honorable Rita Akocha. Gwade. Rita Misokoi.
Oh, I don't know.
Debbie. Eastern region. Eastern region. Yes, who and see ho. Oh, bye. Okay. Gwade here. Best deputy minister. Dokase Afo Toffee, Deputy Minister of Transport. Madam, we are correct. So Bia Bakacha can do to Best regional minister, Miami Balinda. Ah, the sister. Ah, sister.
So you fan.
Sister. Best public institution CEO. We are not going to DVL here to gold board.
Wait.
Because some of you don't hear. On the same way, or some of you on pay, on course I deal with who. On any brave, I not see ye or buy a crunchy. I say, Captain, yes, we are in Kadia May on the one back. I'm so boss, so outing. Order of Star of Ghana.
Any idea here?
Ha. Kofana Mankwasi award. Order of Star of Ghana. What's your SSR award? President to pay. Let me dema. No, I yes award. We say chino.
Doing so well. Deputy Attorney General and the boss doing so well. Say cases in bear 4 and no be na minya updated the bremo. They are doing well. Maybe ones are no necessary attention when or them are buying. Let me view no. I don't know what to make of it. Feel free share in the comments that you are not subscriber. Most subscriber not click on the notification. The video be at my home. No, it's my share. Make sure so be strong so you them me here. Me anon so here.
Eh, ato force na ye. Eh, ato force you no a all cause only evidence o. Asam no can only evidence. But na nia bre because na dwen chane say obi akoye post ama e bia eh ato force that number 1. Enti mame ka bibia be ma ato force ho aye hi aden. Ti mo ade mo ye mo hunti ya mamo. In a minute the American Ghana 42 ni NDC mo amwa ban mu mate mo ho ase ne say there is a man called John Dramani Mahama and he is the president of the land. Ni tumi na yen Ghana for ye de man no and 1.1% bi no de amamo. Someone ni respect ma yen 32 million for na yaka wa abonte na ye mu be say 6 million e kwa 7 million to abama president Mahama na more respecting make kind say the power of our thumb. Someone ni mu a obi wa hanu ma office otimu sisi ya no just 2 years ago no twam wa office wa twam utimi na ni wadi hwe ho ukọ ho a enye ye woni tumi bi ade kọ but today you are occupying that seat. You have to remember that it is because of a name called John Dramani Mahama, who is the president of the land. Ghana for the tumi amano and wa panic kakra bi. President in what yakonya so cry chat no responding. I told our friend no crop fa and the ministers see any appointees see o friend say tie ni as a business what we are seeing na ya dia so awo mo. And attention, hunun kwa no mo kreti. Amu kwa mo refisa president Mahama kwa wo ho. Ena ya na ha me no. Eni mo amu ye ni nyina eye total disrespect to the president. The president wo ho. Na wo interest bi kwa nti wuntimi hide ne kakrampo. Supporters su kwa ntimi hide. Ebi wa ha ka me wo ma adakru bi out of any je obeka. But it's like air overshadow amamwo na wase ekoso no. And people have relaxed. And no money am bring no money free no money do omope. Hey, massa.
Muzo na da no. Si mu de bia ye ka ho asem. Oman we just yenim oman issue ayewo. Ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwakufo Dr. Laji Mahmoud Bawumia ye de ma oman we a. Any 2024 elections ayeko. E no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na. Busia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan. Serious. So in fact, on my bit me ko borrow on my be presidency. On my bit me ko borrow on my be leaders are KBA the new patriotic party. The leaders of the party KBA ka borrow omodom kwa another African country to go and cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yenwie because of time. But those ones yetimi we component go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, me look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me women say. It is a Kenyan who saying no me nyina be ya. It is a scan kwa kaya de wasa botumi wo say oh, I mean say almost same people for ya for. ne ma comfort ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals na mo so mo ya comfort a comfort ma facilitate me so be fund free seniors mo so mo ya comfort isi enye Ghana for dey bi na fe na tables na 10 afi dem mo kekam kakaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho marketing men o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho 2020 do then you know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open ko nkete Nancy bibi ni na nkasa de se bi ye bibi ayen nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibi ye bi invest square ye nkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kra ni obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems most open ko nkete is any one you people chose policy you people chose music over policy na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire rajon dramani ma say o mema was come to butu wana ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se daddy digitalization and to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de rajon dramani ma ko gina efese enkanfo mu gafo ka cho say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mu hia digitalization bia e na gafo so okay nye beto ba na ma bum mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kwa de emenu na to me hu letter bi a yokofo tro ye eba council of state member voter region na me se fiam Remona Chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true.
Okwa ni letter na was say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam 1 which is never true.
Onya
juma order and onya juma order amanam 1 for the first time nam 1 I post. Oh yes, nam 1 I post.
Yeah, no catch you be say dependent boa.
O si sa asem na listen for the first time nam 1 and kwa pe baby akoda na nam 1 yes na che say was in ukura dwiri ni say state institution we are intelligent institution who need intel
ayeka bro
problem ni nyina say
economy no kwa na eboa ye
problem ni nyina say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ni adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply gold no over 75%. Omo cost why na say maintain mo ase ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko say osusi say nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy who take your statement ama o grant omo bi omo koi wa court yoko na court o court no court will really the tiao say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because you're a state institution and you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the only unique case. What ferry a koda fe the old fediana a fidel was by us say any mokra meda mempemubium a jumara nankasa me penachino. We invite in our my no issue document say we're a fugitive. Johnny. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and you sue any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sebia. I don't want to talk about.
Na me see the member who know what the very soon who record is a BP. Very soon who record is a BP. And this state institutions are on Sano Huno, and no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NDC for my